Hi, it's Sandra, Burbank's go-to girl. Just reminding you the clock is ticking to take advantage of Burbank Water and Power's double rebate promotion. It ends February 28th, so please visit my website at sandrasellsburbank.com for a link to the rebate promotion.
California is suffering its worst drought in 1,200 years. And Media West Realty is spreading the word on how you can help conserve. Did you know, if you're a Burbank resident and Burbank Water and Power customer, you have until the end of February to take advantage of Burbank's Appliance Double Rebate promotion. Now's the time to take advantage of replacing old, inefficient refrigerators, clothes washers, air conditioning systems, or other household appliances, and receive double the rebate. Act now, because you only have until the end of February. For more information, go to burbankwaterandpower.com and click on the Conservation tab. Media West Realty. Changing the way you look at real estate forever.